Now moving on to the next problem. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. Now suppose if this is a road, two poles are standing on either side of the road where heights are same, okay, and which is 80-meter wide. So that means the road is 80-meter wide. Okay, so the road is 80-meter wide from a point between them on the road. So I'll just take a point between them on a road. I'll just call it as point O. The angle of elevation, the top of poles are 60 and 30. So one angle of elevation is 60 degree and while the other is 30 degree. Okay, so one angle is 60 degree and the other angle is 30 degree. I'll just name it from here to here as X and from here point O to this point as Y. So X plus Y is equals to 80 meter. Okay, and I'll just name this as A, B, C, D. So first is triangle ABO. From the triangle ABO, what is tan 30? Tan 30 is H by X, correct? Where X is equals to H by tan 30, which is nothing but tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So which comes as H into root 3 is your X, correct? Now we got the value for X, which is nothing but H into root 3. Now similarly for triangle COD, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is H by Y. Tan 60 is root 3 is equals to H by Y. This implies Y is equals to H by root 3, correct? Now we got the value for X as 1 and for Y as 2. I'll just name it as equation 1 and 2. X is equals to H into root 3 and Y is equals to H by root 3. Now adding 1 and 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. Now what was equation 1 plus equation 2 is X plus Y is equals to H by root 3 plus root 3 H. This is nothing but 80, correct? That is what it says, right? 80 and H plus 3H by root 3. How? LCM. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. h by whole by root 3. So this becomes 4h is equals to 80 into root 3, which implies h is equals to 80 by 4 into root 3, which is nothing but 20 root 3 meter. Now what is height of the pole? So therefore the height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter. Easy. And there is also one more thing. Find the distance of the point from the pole. So this is height, and what we need to find is the distance from the pole. Correct? Now for the distance from the pole, we knew the value of x and y. Correct? Now what was x? Root 3 into h. So x is nothing but root 3 into 20, which is nothing but root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 20 is 60 meter. If x is 60 meter, then what should be y is 20 meter, because x plus y is 80. Correct, right? X plus y is 80. If x is 60, y should be 20 meters. Easy. So this is how the sum goes. Okay. Now moving on to the next problem. Now what does the next problem states? A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line. Now, there is a girl watching a balloon, but a drawing would be quite horrible. I know that this is not girl, but please assume it as a girl. Okay. This is the horizontal line. This is what is our height? 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. From the, so she is observing a balloon. Okay, so she is observing a balloon now. Let us assume this is a balloon. I'll just mark it with a blue line, and it is moving in a horizontal direction, and it comes in rest in one of the position, and the height is 88.2 meter from the ground. So if this is a horizontal line from here to here, from the ground it is 88.2 meter. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. So initially from the high side it is how much? 60 degree. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30, right? Because since it is moving now, at one point the angle will reduce to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval is this. Correct? It is this distance. I'll just give the name as x. Okay. And from here to here, like say it as, if this is x, say it as y, and total distance is d. From the girl, the distance of the final position of the balloon is d. Have you got this diagram now? How to sketch it? Now if you get this diagram, since they are asking to find out the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval, so that means you need to find out what is this x. Got it? So from the first position, I'll just name it as this is the first position, this is the second position. Okay, so in the first position, what is, since I know the height 1.2, so that means this would be how much? 87, correct? So the height of the balloon from the girl's eyesight is 87. So from the first position, what I have is tan 60 is equals to 87 by y. Easy. So this is the first position, tan 60, this is 87, this is 87 by y. So this was our first condition, first position. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So therefore y is equals to 87 by root 3. Easy. Now the second position. Now let us solve the second position. Okay, so the second position of the balloon, this is how the rough sketch looks. This is nothing but 87, this is nothing but d, and this is nothing but 30 degree, correct? Now tan 30 is nothing but 87 by d, and d is nothing but 87 into root 3, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3, correct? So d is nothing but 87 root 3, and d is nothing but x plus y. That is what we have seen in our previous diagram, right? Now since we need the value of x, so d minus y, so therefore x is equals to 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3. That is what the value of y, correct? Now taking 87 common, you will be ending up with root 3 minus 1 by root 3, correct? And now taking the LCM of root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now x is equals to 87 into 2 by root 3, which is nothing but 174 by root 3. Now what is 174 by root 3? And I have already told you root 3, 1 by root 3 can be written as what? Into root 3 by 3, correct? Now if I cancel this, 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, remainder is 2, 3 8s are 24, you will be ending up with 58 root 3. So your answer is 58 root 3 meter. Understood? Easy. You need to practice lots and lot of sums. Please make sure if you are stuck in any sum, please mention in the comment what sum we have to solve. Okay, what sum I have to solve for you. Okay, so if you're new person who is watching my video, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel, and press that bell button so that you'll be notified with every new video. Not only new viewers, and even the viewers who are already been watching for the longer time, but if you're not been subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified with every new videos of mine. Okay, so please keep practicing. Any doubt, any sum has to be solved, please mention it in a comment box. Okay, so please share this with your friends, and so that help the tribe to grow. Okay, take care people, have a great day.